Alright, now let's talk about the next command in Unix or Linux based system, which is mv, and used for moving the content from source to destination. If I type man tag f for short and mv, so you can see move, rename, or files. So you can move files, and currently I am inside test2i directory. Let's create a directory using mkdir and hello, and it already exists. If I type hello, as you can hear, it already exists. Let's create a file using touch. So touch, you can use touch to create files. Let's say hello.txt, and the file created. So now I want to move this file inside hello directory. As you can see, hello directory is currently empty. So if I type move and then hello.txt to hello directory. So if I type now ls here, the hello.txt file does not exist in the current directory. If I type ls hello, as you can see, the file is now right here. So let's go to that. As you can see here, says move or rename file. So if I type ls here, as you can see, hello.txt is right here. Let's use nano editor to add something to this file. Let's say abc whatever. Now we have a file that they have some content. So let's say I want to rename this file. So you can use the mv command to rename this file. From hello, let's change it to hi.txt, and if I hit enter, it says destination operator. So we need to pass two parameters. So currently we have currently we have hello.txt. So I want the hello.txt to be moved to be renamed to hi.txt, and for that all you need is just type mv and then the source file and then the destination, the rename name or destination file. So if I hit enter, now it renamed the hello.txt to hi.txt by ls here. As you can see, the hi.txt right here. So if I type nano hi, and it will have that content that we wrote before. So you can use mv command to move or rename directories. So let's say I am creating another file. Let's say hi2.txt. If I type hello, as you can see, we have hi1 and hi2, and let's create another directory. Let's say hi, and if I type ls, here we have one directory and two files. So let's say I want to move both of them into hi directory. So you can do that using mv command and then hi1.txt, hi1.txt, and then hi2.txt, and then the destination folder name. So let's say in this case it is hi. If I hit enter and ls, the content of the current directory is hi1 and hi2 does not exist in the current directory. So if I type ls, the hi directory, as you can see, both of them are now in the hi directory. So you can move multiple files or directories using by adding uh, the file or directory name, and at the last one will be the destination. So it will recognize the last one as the destination, and the others will be the source files or directories that you want to move.